Hello, dear friends. Welcome to today's session on Padhai Se Dosti YouTube channel. So, in this particular session, we are going to discuss about the location and extent. So, same things about Brazil. So, the official name of Brazil is Federative Republic of Brazil. Remember this thing. Federative Republic of Brazil is the official name of Brazil. Its capital is Brasilia. Previously, its capital is Rio de Janeiro. Very famous city located over here. It is a coastal town. You can able to observe here, right? So this is the Rio de Janeiro. Okay, and right now this is old capital. The new capital is Brasilia over here. Okay. Let's see about the location and extent of this country. So some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, while most of its part lies in the southern hemisphere. Also, it lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of southern American continent. Okay, so remember this thing. So let's see with this globe where Brazil exactly. So we have to move towards the west from India. Here you can able to see the Africa. After that, the Atlantic Ocean, and here you will able to see the two continents. This is North America continent. This is Canada. This is USA. This is Mexico. These are some middle American countries and Caribbean countries, because this particular water body is known as Caribbean Sea. Okay, so here you can able to find the southern America or the South America continent. Okay, so here the major country is Brazil. You can able to see this is a Brazil. Okay, so okay, this is Brazil. Here you can able to see the Brasilia. Okay, guys, so let's see the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of this particular country. Before that, remember this Brazil is located in the western hemisphere. So why it is in western hemisphere, I have already told you. We are taking the prime meridian passing from this Greenwich city located in London or near the London. Okay, so here London is there. The prime meridian means the reference longitude passing from this particular city, which joins the north and south pole, and its western part is comes under western hemisphere. As Brazil located entirely on the western side of this Greenwich or the London city, it comes under the western hemisphere. And if you divide the globe into two equal parts, then the equator passing from the northern part of Brazil like this. Okay, it so some very small part of Brazil, northern part of Brazil, lies above the equator, means in northern hemisphere, and 90% or 95% part of the Brazil lies in the southern hemisphere, means below the equator. Remember this thing. So let's see the exact extent of Brazil. Here you can able to observe this is a equator. Some small part of this Brazil, the Roraima and Amapa. These two states, they are located in the northern hemisphere, and the rest of the state of this particular country located in the southern hemisphere. Okay, this is equator. Okay, and here you can able to observe the Tropic of Capricorn, means 23 degree 30 minutes southern latitude. Okay, so remember this thing. So let's see the longitudinal and latitudinal extent of Brazil. So here the we have to fill the numbers in these blank spaces. Okay, so here you can able to observe that Brazil's northern extent is somewhat here, the northernmost point. So it is a 5 degree 15 minutes north to here. You can able to observe the 30 and 35-degree longitude. This is misprinted over here. This should be 35. So here almost you can able to see 33-degree in southern hemisphere. So here it is a 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south. This is the longitudinal extent of Brazil. And what is the latitudinal extent of Brazil? You can able to observe the westernmost point and easternmost point over here, and you have to consider the lines which are vertical imaginary lines which are touching to that particular the westernmost and easternmost point of Brazil. Okay, so if you consider the westernmost point of Brazil, so this is here somewhere here, and easternmost is somewhere here. Now we have to measure from east to west, because this is a western hemisphere which starts from the prime meridian located at Greenwich. Okay, so we have to come like this. Okay, measurement starts like this: 30 degree west, 35-degree west. In case of eastern hemisphere, we have already seen it starts from left to right, but in western hemisphere, measurement of longitude start from east to west. Remember this thing. Here you can able to observe this W. From this east to west, we are measuring the western longitudes, and eastern longitudes from west to east. Remember this thing. So here the longitudinal extent of Brazil is from 35 degree and something minutes. You can able to point over here. Okay, so this is the easternmost point of this particular country. So here 35 degree 45 minutes west to the 73 degree 48 minutes west. Here you can able to observe this is above 70 somewhere here. So above 70 means how much it is? It is around 73 degree. Okay. So here 73 degree 48 minutes west longitude. So remember this latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Brazil. Now the next exercise is observe the figure 2.2. Identify the Brazil's neighboring countries and ocean and fill the chart in your notebook. Okay. So the northern part of Brazil, you can able to observe the northern part of Brazil here, the Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana. These five countries are there, and the North Atlantic Ocean is there in the northern part. In the western part, you can able to see this Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina. Actually, Argentina is in western part also and in southern part also. So remember, there are three countries: Peru, Bolivia, and Paraguay. We will take Argentina in southern part. Okay, in southern part you can able to observe the Argentina and Uruguay. Here you can observe Uruguay, and here Argentina. The entire portion Argentina. You can able to analyze this boundaries very well over here. So this is a Colombia. Okay, capital Bogota. This is Venezuela, capital Caracas. Okay, here is Caracas. Remember these locations also. So here it is Guyana, capital is Georgetown. Here it is Suriname, capital is Paramaribo. Here it is a French Guiana, capital is Kaini. Okay, so these are the five nations which shares the northern border of Brazil, and you can able to see in the northern part of Brazil this is North Atlantic Ocean. Okay, in the western part you can able to observe three countries basically. So this one it is a Peru, capital Lima. Here it is Bolivia, capital La Paz. Here it is Paraguay, its capital is Asuncion. You can able to observe the city over here, Asuncion. This is the capital of Paraguay. Okay, so these are the western border countries of Brazil. Okay, there is no any water body in the western part of Brazil. Then in southern part you can able to observe this is Uruguay here. The capital is Montevideo, and here the Argentina in the southern part. This entire see my cursor. So this entire portion is the Argentina, and its capital is Buenos Aires. Okay, so these are the southern countries, and in the eastern side, entire border is covered by the South Atlantic Ocean. So I have already told you the Atlantic Ocean is very big. The Atlantic Ocean, which is towards the northern part of equator known as North Atlantic Ocean, and which lies towards the southern part of equator known as South Atlantic Ocean, is somewhat S-like structure. You can able to observe over here. So this is somewhat S-like structure of Atlantic Ocean. The this half circle of S is lies above the equator, so known as North Atlantic Ocean. The southern half circle lies below the equator known as South Atlantic Ocean. So the eastern border of this Brazil is entirely covered by this South Atlantic Ocean, and the some part of north border is covered by North Atlantic Ocean and these five countries. Okay, so in this way we have discussed the chart also. So guys, I hope you understood this particular topic in very well manner. If you have any doubt, do comment, share this session with your friends so they will get benefited during this coronavirus lockdown period, and they will remain in touch with their syllabus. Okay, so do share this session with your friends, do subscribe this channel so you will get the more and more interactive session related to your academics. So have a nice day guys, thank you.